Hello everyone. In this video, we will study the fourth problem of AtCoder beginner contest 350. Here is n people and m relationship. Okay, we can see the first sample. 4 people. The first people, the second people, the third people, and the fourth people. The first relationship is between 1 and 2. So the first 2 people are friends, and 2 and the second is 2 and 3. The second people and the third people are friends, and finally 1 and 4. So here all the 4 people are friends, so we can make an edge between the third people and the fourth people, and also between the first and the third people, and also the second and the fourth people. So the answer is 3. Okay. So our task is to calculate the vertex count, and then we need to calculate edge count. Finally, here is a combination between 2 people. So combination n and 2 minus the edge count. What is count is we count plus multiply we count minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay. So we can first store the graph by vector. And the second, we can calculate the vertex count and the edge count by breadth first search. Okay, now let's code. Bits using namespace std. Okay, let's study the data constraint. Here n is not more than 200,000, so we need to use long instead of int. And AI is smaller than BI, so here is no self loop. And the pairs AI BI are distinct, so here is no parallel edge. Okay. Const max n is 200,000. So does max n. And this is the answer. Vector. We use vector to store the graph. Input n and m. Now we have m relationships. A, B. Pushback. Okay. Then we BFS and finally output the answer. So we need to define a BFS function. Here. Here we traverse the vertices if the vertex is not visited. So we need to define a Boole array. Now put into Q. Push I and with I is true and for while the Q is not empty. This is the top vertex. Dot size. Int v. V is the ith neighbor of u. U I. If v is not visited, so we can push the vertex into the queue. Okay, this is the base framework of BFS. Now we need to calculate the vertex count and the edge count. So here we define V count and E count. V count increase and u dot size. Okay. In the first sample, G1, the first node, the first vertex have two neighbors, 2 and 4. And C2, 1 and 3. 3 has one neighbor. That's the second vertex. And 4. The fourth vertex have only one neighbor. Okay, now we calculate the edge. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because the edge between the vertices are doubled, so we need to divide the edge count by 2. Okay, here and minus e count divided by 2. Okay, and then this one we count multiply we count minus 1 and divided by 2. Okay, now the code is finished and we can test the code. For the first sample, the answer is 3. Okay, and for the second sample, 0 is correct. And for the last sample, the answer is 12. Okay, so finally, we need to use long instead of int. Define int long. Okay, and then now submit the code. Okay, the solution has been accepted. So this task is not difficult. The solution have only 2 steps. The first step is to store the graph, and the second step is using BFS to calculate the vertex count and the edge count. Okay, now this problem has finished, and see you next time.